Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you one of the best AI tools for creating video animations, HeyGen. With talking avatars, text-to-video conversion, and face swap capabilities, HeyGen is an AI-powered video creation platform that makes it simple for users to create professional videos. This video is divided into 3 parts. First, how to convert an image into a video animation. Second, how to create video using AI avatars. Third, how to create free clothes for your AI avatars. So, let's jump right into the video.
Open your internet browser and type heygen.com in order to visit their website. Or you can use the link in the description to access their website. In order to receive a free trial, click the sign in option after that and, if you haven't already, create an account. You can generate or upload your own image. On your left you have your templates. There are more than 100 free templates with various sections available for you to choose from. Just choose the one you like. Then, there are our avatars. There are more than 100 free avatars with various outfits and styles. It's okay if you don't have an image. AI can create one for you, or if you already have one, you can post it here. I'm going to upload an image that I already have before. Select the Create option to begin editing your picture. For your avatars, you can select from a variety of viewpoints here. The default one is attractive. You can also remove the background by simply clicking the Remove button. Then to select the voice you want for the video, click here. You can listen to a variety of voices and pick the one you want. When finished, select Save Template. When the avatar is ready, click on the box to enter your prompt. After finishing, submit your video by clicking the Submit button. When the process is finished, select the Download option to save your video. This is the outcome.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
To make a video with an AI avatar, click on the Avatar option on your left. There are more than 100 free avatars. Choose the one that you prefer and select Create Video. On your left, you have a variety of free templates. Click on Element to select a background image, or you can search for an image here. Let's use this one. Right-click on the picture, then click Set as Background. You can also resize your avatar. Type the script you want the avatar to say. Click here to change the voice of your avatar. Here is a variety of voices you can choose for your avatar. Once you are done with your editing, hit the Submit button. When the process is finished, click the Download option to save your video. This is the outcome.
Use the link in the video description to get access to Avatar and get a free minute credit.
To change your avatar's outfit, simply click on Avatar on your left. Then click on Create AI Outfit Avatar. Here are many avatars that you can change their outfit. I'm choosing Monica. Describe the outfit you want for your avatar. Then hit the Send button. Wait for the process to complete. Here you have 4 different options. Choose the one that looks better and click Save. Now hit the Create button to make a video with your avatar. Just like before, you have your templates on your left as well as the element. Search for the picture you want. After choosing one, click Set as Background. You can also resize your avatar. Then write the script you want the avatar to say. Click here to choose your preferred voice. Then hit the Submit button to submit your video. Click the Download option to save your video. Here is the final result.
By simply writing your prompt, you can create any custom outfit you like. Hey there! Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed it, I would appreciate it if you could give this video a big thumbs up, and hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you never miss an update from me. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in the next video.